Hi everybody, it's Brandy. I've been having some trouble uploading my video to YouTube, so I thought I would try it this way and see if at least you could get a little piece of my project. So here's my iPhone that I recorded it on, and here we go. It's all about the biscuits, baby, yeah. Brandy's garlic cheese biscuits feeds 8 people, but we need to feed 200 people. What am I going to do? Ah! Well, we know that the current recipe feeds 8, so let's divide the number of servings needed by 8 so we can figure out how many times we'll need to multiply the ingredients to feed all those people. 200 divided by 8 is 25. So we're going to multiply all the ingredients by 25. And here's the conversion chart. Everything, 1 1/4 cup biscuits times 25, 31 1/4 cups, 1/2 a cup of shredded cheese times 25 is 12.5 cups, 1/2 cup of water times 25 is 12.5 cups, 1/2 a stick of unsalted butter times 25, 12.5 sticks, 1/4 teaspoon garlic times 25 is 6 1/4 teaspoons, 1/4 teaspoon salt times 25 is 6 1/4 teaspoons, and 1/8 teaspoon parsley times 25 is 3 1/8 teaspoons. This Food and Drug is where I shop, where I have shopped, where I will always shop. And no, they are not paying me to say this. Here's my mathematical conversion that I spent a lot of time doing. In order to find most of the ingredients, I converted to ounces. As you can see here, I went ahead and did 12.5 cups of cheese. So 12.5 times 8 ounces, because there's 8 ounces in a cup, equals 100 ounces, which I divided by 32, because there's 32 ounces in each bag, which gave me 3.125 bags for the cheese, so roughly 3 bags. For the butter, there's 12.5 sticks, so I did 12.5 sticks divided by 4 sticks per each box, which gave me 3 boxes for 1/2 a stick. When I did it in ounces, there's 16 ounces to a box, so I multiplied 16 ounces by 3 boxes, which gave me 48 ounces. Now I know that 16 divided by 4 is 4 ounces per stick, so to get half a stick, that would be divided by 2, so there's 2 ounces per half stick. So 48 ounces plus the extra 2 ounces for the half a stick would be 50 ounces roughly for the butter. 31 1/4 cups mix is 8 ounces in a cup, so 31 times 8 is 248 plus 2 ounces for 1/4 a cup extra gives me 250 ounces of mix, divided by 40 ounces in each box, which gave me 6.25 boxes, or roughly 6 boxes. And I did the same thing for water, but I used quarts. There's 1 cup is 8 ounces, and then 4 cups in 1 quart. So what I did was 12.5 cups divided by 4 cups, which gave me 3.125 quarts, or roughly 3 quarts of water. And there's my biscuits. There's 6 boxes. And there's my cheddar cheese. I needed 3 bags. And my butter. There's 3 boxes with 4 sticks and my little half a stick. And there's water, which I did 3 quarts and 1/2 cup. And then garlic powder. You know, you thought I was going to actually put 6 pictures of each on there, didn't you? And I thought about it. And I thought after the cheese and the biscuit and water, it might be a little redundant. So. And there's the parsley, as you can see here. That really is parsley. Almost forgot about that with all the other conversions that I've been doing. And don't tell Miss Brown, but this is really something that I'm going to look forward to, and that's a quick biscuit mix where you just add water. Don't tell her. And for all you people like me who love easy baking, Now, if you want to just do what I would do, and that's buy 25 bags of this quick complete mix and add 12.5 cups of water to it to feed 200 people, that's another quick way of doing this recipe. And then I went ahead and converted that with the 3 quarts of water to the 25 bags, or 12.5 cups. And here I am, after all the conversions, so exhausted. And I thought Miss Brown and all of us would appreciate this. Anyway.
Okay, there you have it. And here's my paper for my conversions. I was trying to show you that was probably inappropriate, but I'm pretty inappropriate. So this is the math equations that I did to get all of the equations finished, as well as the garlic and the salt and the parsley. So there you have it. I hope you were able to kind of see where I was coming from on my video, and sorry it's a little ghetto, but we do call ourselves the Griswolds in this house, and this was definitely a Griswold production. Thanks.